Millions of bottles are discarded daily as worthless trash. Yet, these streets and landfills hide an incredible business opportunity. What most overlook? Recycling businesses transform into serious income. Every bottle is a resource that multiplies into massive profit. Small facilities earn six figures, while large operations reach millions. This boring business quietly generates wealth from what others ignore. Billions of bottles clog the environment and our drainage systems. Where many see waste, savvy businesses see valuable raw material. To an outsider, this is just useless trash waiting for a bin. To an experienced recycler, it is raw profit waiting to be collected. Every bottle has monetary value and can often be acquired for free. Aggregating this waste creates a high-demand industrial supply. Success begins with organized collection from streets and waste points. Every bottle sorted is a direct investment in future profit. A network of local vendors ensures a steady flow of material. Small quantities add up quickly, fueling the entire processing chain. Logistics are key. Trucks and forklifts move material to facilities. Efficient transport keeps the business running and profitable. The facility is the heart, where waste is sorted and baled. Organized workflows turn industrial chaos into a streamlined asset. Modern machines automate shredding, washing, and drying processes. Technology minimizes manual labor while maximizing high-speed output. Skilled workers and robotics combine for peak speed and accuracy. This synergy reduces costs and pushes efficiency to the limit. The plastic flakes are melted into thick liquid. This liquid is pushed through machines to form pellets. These pellets are the raw material for new plastic products. Waste is slowly becoming valuable again. Factories buy these recycled pellets in huge quantities. They use them to create new bottles and packaging. Brands love recycled plastic because it reduces costs. This demand keeps the recycling business profitable. A single recycling plant can process tons of bottles daily. Each ton produces thousands of dollars in material. With constant supply, profits grow month after month. This is how a simple waste business becomes powerful. But success depends on one key factor: the steady supply of plastic bottles. Entrepreneurs build networks with collectors and waste pickers. This ensures the factory never stops working. In many cities, waste collectors earn money gathering bottles. They sell them to local scrap dealers. Dealers then supply large recycling facilities. This chain creates jobs for thousands of people. Some entrepreneurs start with small collection centers. They buy plastic bottles from local communities. Then they compress and sell them to big recyclers. Even this step alone can be profitable. Technology has also improved recycling efficiency. Modern machines clean and process plastic faster. This reduces labor costs and increases production. More efficiency means higher profits. Governments are now encouraging recycling industries. Many countries offer subsidies and tax benefits. This support attracts investors into the sector. Plastic recycling is becoming a strategic industry. Large companies now prefer recycled materials. Consumers demand environmentally responsible brands. Using recycled plastic improves company reputation. This trend increases demand every year. For entrepreneurs, the opportunity is enormous. The raw material is cheap and everywhere. Demand continues to grow globally. Few businesses combine profit and impact like this. From street collectors to large factories, every step creates income opportunities. What was once garbage is now a valuable resource. Plastic bottles have become a billion-dollar industry. Next time you throw away a plastic bottle, remember it may travel through this entire system, from trash to factory to new products again. A simple bottle can power $1 million business.